are using AI, right? But did you know that most of us are barely scratching the surface of what these tools can do? Today, I want to share with you 10 AI hacks that will completely change the way you live and work. Seriously, you'll wish you knew them sooner. Welcome to this channel, Sylvia Kimbogwe. This is a space for dreamers, professionals, go-getters, people who want to win in this era of AI. And here we give you tools, strategies, mindset shifts that will completely transform your career anywhere in the world. So stick around and let's arise above barriers and subscribe if you're new in this place. Hack number 1, AI as your personal meeting assistant. Meetings used to be a sink of time, but not anymore. Use an AI meeting assistant like Fireflies or Otter AI. These tools can automatically join your virtual meetings, transcribe the entire conversation, and then provide a summary, action items, and follow-up emails. You can fully focus on the conversation knowing that you won't have to miss a single detail. Hack number 2 is the layman's language translator. Have you ever had to read a dense research paper or legal document, medical document? Don't struggle with it anymore. Use AI to convert dense information into layman's language. Tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity AI, etc. For example, get your legal document, paste it into AI, and give it a prompt like, explain this legal document to me in simple terms like I'm a 4th grader. This hack saves you hours of shifting through jargon and helps you understand complex topics in just a blink of an eye. Our next hack is the voice of a customer. Now, for all marketers and business owners, this is a must try. Use AI to create a voice of a customer swipe file. Paste in reviews, customer emails, or survey responses, and ask AI to identify key pain points, desires, and the exact language that your customers speak. For example, you can tell AI to analyze these 50 customer reviews and create a list of their top 3 pain points. This gives you a powerful resource to create products that your customers really want. Tools like ChatGPT, Medallia, etc. Our hack number 4 is AI-powered career coach. This one is for your professional life. Use AI to act as your career coach. Tools like Rezi, ChatGPT, My Perfect Resume AI Coach. Upload your resume and a job description you're interested in, and ask AI to identify skills you should highlight and suggest improvements to your resume to make you a perfect fit. An example of a prompt you can give is, act as a career coach. Here is my resume and a job description. How can I tailor my resume to better match this role? What skills should I emphasize? It's like having a personal career advisor on demand. Hack number 5 is idea validator. Thinking about starting a side hustle or a new project? Before you commit, ask AI to validate your idea. Ask it to pressure test your concept by identifying potential weaknesses, suggesting alternative approaches, and analyzing the market. An example of a prompt can be, I have an idea for a coffee subscription service. What are the potential pitfalls and how can I differentiate my services from my competitors? This can save you a lot of wasted time and effort. The next hack is personal finance assistant. Let AI help you with your finances. You can use it to create a budget, track expenses, or even analyze investment options. An example of a prompt you can use can be, act as a financial advisor. I want to create a monthly budget on a salary of $2,000. This hack puts financial management on an autopilot and helps you take control of your money. Hack number 8 is to create custom learning plans. If you want to learn any skill, AI can be your personal tutor. Did you know that? Ask it to create a custom learning plan for you, complete with a syllabus, resources, and a timeline. You can use such a prompt. Create a 6-week learning plan for me to learn Python programming, assuming I am a complete beginner. Include daily topics and project ideas. And by doing this, you can learn any skill at the comfort of your bedroom. Can you imagine that? Our next hack is AI as a creative thought partner. Are you stuck in the creative rut? Relax. AI has your back. Use prompts like, act like a creative director. I need ideas for a new marketing campaign. I need 5 innovative ideas for a new marketing campaign for a running shoe company targeting young adults. Each idea should include a catchy slogan. You'll be amazed at the ideas AI will create for you, sparkling new avenues for your business. Hack number 9, and this one is my favorite: time saving task manager. This one is for repetitive tasks. Many AI tools can connect with your other apps to automate workflows. For example, you can have an AI tool that automatically summarizes your emails and sends the summary to you via text. Can you imagine that? This is the ultimate productivity hack, delegating most of your boring tasks as you focus on what truly matters. And our last hack is the structure editor hack. Ever got stuck in the middle of a project, a blog post, or a report? Instead of just asking AI to finish it for you, paste in what you have and ask AI to act as your structure editor. This is what you can say. Here is half of my blog post. What's missing in the flow? Suggest a paragraph to bring this to the next section. And that's how you turn AI into your personal success engine. So use it wisely, use it consistently, let it sharpen the version of you that is already powerful. Thank you for watching this far. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, please subscribe. Share this video with someone who you think might need it. And let me know in the comment section which hack you're going to try first. See you in the next video.